Hello everybody, this is Steve today, and today we're going to make some apricot jam. I've already made a couple batches over the last week, and I'm going to do some more. These are apricots off my tree in the backyard, and we were inundated with fruit this year, so we tried to figure out what to do, and came up with some jam. So there's a lot of good videos on YouTube on how to make jam and canning and all that, so you can check those out. Really want to thank everybody who's posted on YouTube. That's really helped me out. But as far as a beginner goes, like I said, this is our first time ever doing anything like this. Some of the things that we're doing, again, we got fruit from our own tree. So this is about 5+ cups of fruit. About half that much as far as sugar, so about 2.5 cups or so of sugar, 2.5 to 3. Again, it's not science, really basic 2-to-1 ratio. About a 1/4 cup or so of lemon juice, and what this is lemons off my daughter's tree. These are Meyer lemons, so juice of 1 lemon is plenty of juice for that. And we'll throw that all into a stock pot, cook it down, and it really takes about an hour or so to cook down. And then I got another pot here for lids. And after we made our first batch, we decided to go out and buy one of these canning sets. The funnel is what you really need. That's kind of very helpful. These big tongs for getting the jars out of the pot, and then this magnet for lifting the lids when you're putting those on the lid so you don't touch them or contaminate your lids with your hands. So it's only like 15 bucks or something, fairly inexpensive. You know, I'm not promoting anything. You can find these probably other brands as well, but very helpful, especially the big funnel. So stock pot for water, that's to cook your jars down and your lids. Get the stock pot going. As far as this batch, I call this a half batch because it's 5 cups of fruit, 2.5 cups of sugar, and it'll fill 4 of these jars. These are the half-pint jars. It'll fill 4 of those. Once we get them all, everything cooked down in the pot, I use the emulsifier to kind of break things down a little bit more. And then this jar here is a jar of jam that I made this past week. This is actually apricot strawberry jam. It was 5 cups I used on that batch, but it was like about close to 1.5 to 2 cups of strawberries, and then the rest apricots, and something a little different. So have some fun with it. You know, it's very basic, very simple to do. If you've never done it before, don't be afraid. The tea bag we're going to throw in at this batch. I saw another recipe online. Somebody used a Earl Grey tea bag in there, so didn't have any Earl Grey, but have Lady Grey, so we'll give that a try. But experiment, have some fun, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.